The rest of the world is already familiar with the Ford Ecosport. Now the small crossover is available to US customers for the first time. Incidentally, it's the first car built in India to be sold here. As Ford begins to lean more heavily on its crossovers at a time when it plans to discontinue most of its cars, the EcoSport is the most diminutive in its lineup. It's available with two engine options, a 1.0-litre 3-cylinder EcoBoost, and a naturally aspirated 2.0-litre. Front and all-wheel drive versions are available, each with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Our tester was a 2.0-litre EcoSport SES with all-wheel drive, and it spent a week at the Autoblog office as we got to see how it fared in real-world driving conditions. Right away, we got to poking around the 8-inch central touchscreen. Sync 3 comes standard on all but the S-trim level, and it is great. It's something that a lot of cars just can't nail down. Sync 3 is clear, simple, and responsive. This is a great interface to use.